Hey, what's up guys? I got a question for you. With so many of us limited to our homes at the moment, I'm sure you found yourself asking if it's even possible if your home workouts can match the same intensity with similar results you'd be getting from training at the gym. Am I right? Well, I too found myself asking the same thing. And after finding nothing out there that could match my training needs, I was quick to get to work on building a complete home workout program that required little to no equipment except you and your phone, and could be performed literally anywhere that you had space. The result is a total body training approach that focuses on major muscle groups on set days, with high intensity metabolic conditioning workouts on others that can all be performed within the comfort of your own home and get it done within 30 minutes. No equipment, no cardio, no problem. Soon after we released the home workout program, I've got 5 more complete programs in development right now, including muscle building, fat loss, cardio and abs, rehab and mobility, as well as recipes and nutrition. There's literally a program that suits everybody. This total body at-home workout is available exclusively on my brand new app, SixForty, which is now available for pre-order on the App Store. Just click the link on my bio page to discover what would be your best training partner you've ever had. I can't wait to show you what else we've got in store for you.